I have to do this. Oops, I dropped my camera. And I dropped my selfie stick. Woo! I'm doing all kinds of good shit. Anyway. Here we go. Let's get it back together again. I feel like Humpty Dumpty up in this bitch. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Christopher Warner back again. Back together again, I mean. Well, that's kind of interesting, selfie stick. You just hold it like this. What's up, y'all? What's up, guys? Woo, woo, woo. See, my selfie stick looks like that. I guess this is kind of cool. I don't know. I don't need this stupid tripod. Maybe I don't know what I need. You know, like... Let me put this together. Like that. Okay. You know, that's the story of my life. That's my problem. I never know what I need. I think I need... Hold on, let me clean the lens a little bit. I never know what I need. You know? Yep, never know. You can look at that. It's pretty. There's the sunset. West Seattle sunset. Anyways, I'm getting ready to go to this spiritual gathering. At one of my meetings I go to. Yes, I go to meetings. I go to all kinds of meetings. I go to church meetings. I go to crypto meetings. I go to Gamblers Anonymous meetings. I go to Alcoholics Anonymous meetings. So, anyways, just show you guys around my house a little bit. Just a TV, like everybody else has. I like lots of lighting. I got black light. And then I got more black light. And, here's my kids' room. Kids got a big playroom with a bed and stuff. Little closet area. I like to keep my lights off. I don't like to burn electricity. I'm not wasteful. Try not to be. My wife's a lot better at it than I am. Here's my computer area. Here's my mic. My 2 screens. Oh, 3 screens, actually. One, I'm just not using one of them. I was using that for mining, but I'm not mining as much right now. I gotta get my computer fixed. You guys want to see something kind of cool? I got my wife. It's a glass slipper. Got her a glass slipper. There she is. There I am. There she is. There we are. Anyway, so just wandering around, getting ready to leave here pretty soon, and wanted to see how this GoPro works. I tested it out at the beach on the waves. It seemed to work pretty good. I just didn't like that I couldn't hook up a mic. You gotta have like a mini HDMI or something to do a mic. And I just have a regular auxiliary plug-in thing. Remember, I'm not very internet savvy. I just started doing all this stuff because of crypto last year. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I made so many fucking mistakes, it's unbelievable. I made so many mistakes when it came to mnemonic phrases and JSON files and keys and XMR rig packages and security codes and 2FA, and fucked up my 2FA once. I lost some coins that way. I have to go back to Cryptopia. I got like 4,000 coins I can't get to right now, so I gotta contact them and do something, but I got the rest of my coins. And I'm just trying to chill right now, trying to catch my breath. I get a little stressed out and I start losing my breath, which is probably normal for a lot of people, and I'm kind of fat, so there's that. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go. If you guys ever want to talk about anything that has to do with crypto, especially Electronium, basically, YouTube, Gamblers Anonymous, crypto, Alcoholics Anonymous, I'm into all those subjects. And spirituality, I like to get into that. So I'm not just a crypto guy. So, oh, look at that. There's like this, I'll show you. There's just like one single cloud in the sky. Oh, and there's the moon. There's the crescent moon. Anyway, the animals are doing something. What is that? Is that a squirrel? What is a squirrel? There's a squirrel. Look at the squirrel. Going up, going up. There, bye squirrel. Oh wow, they go really fast, really quick. Anyway. Yeah, just kind of like walking around with you guys and just talking. I'm not trying to force anything, so I'm just trying to say whatever comes to my mind. I'm usually pretty chill, like, I'm usually kind of like, don't care, don't give a fuck, really. I've seen things, I've been through some things, and I've had enough drama in my life to last 10 people, and I just try to stay away from it all, man. I try to be chill. I try to work with other people and help others and be reasonable and work on my problems and take care of my responsibilities and just learn, do the day-to-day thing. I didn't really learn much growing up about how the world works, you know. I learned how, kind of like, I don't want to say on camera, but I learned a lot of criminal behavior type stuff as a kid, you know. So it took a lot of years to figure out how to live in the real world and how to function and how to do legitimate stuff and to be legal and be okay with being legal and legitimate and stuff like that. So I'm not a badass or nothing. I just was raised a certain way. And when you're raised a certain way, you do a certain thing. So anyway, I'm going to get going. Just wanted to talk to you guys a bit, and then I'll upload this and see if anybody wants to chat back. Alright, later.